Gone are the days when farmers spend weeks seeding their entire land. Seeding has been made easy for you and me through these machines, and in this video, you'll learn about the most efficient seed drill machines you can find anywhere. Bourgault 7950 Air Seeder. If you want to reap huge amounts when harvest season comes around, then the Bourgault 7950 Air Seeder should be your best friend. This beauty makes the whole process of planting seeds a walk in the park. You can stock this machine with a large amount of seeds before the operation begins. The manufacturers designed it in a way that prioritizes capacity and efficiency. The Bourgault 7950 has 4 main tanks that have a combined capacity of about 950 bushels. For those of you hungry for more, the machine can be extended with a saddle tank and pallet storage platform. But hey, doesn't that mean the weight increases and some of your precious seeds get crushed? Well, no. The brains behind this machine made sure to use tires that exert little pressure on the ground during operation. 2000 case IH early rise planters. The wonders of technology are at your fingertips with the 2000 series planter. This machine is built carefully and packed with the latest technology. It's designed to match your pace, ensuring that your crops grow evenly and quickly, resulting in a bountiful harvest. The 2000 series planter merges a tough row unit with the most precise planting technologies available in the industry. It adjusts to handle various field conditions, ensuring consistent accuracy regardless of speed or environmental factors. You don't have to worry about customizations either. The 2000 series planter offers factory customization to suit different soil types and cropping methods. Additionally, it provides choice for crop protection and fertilizer application to enhance your planting experience. You can switch crops and make adjustments on many parts of the 2000 series planter without needing any tools. MONOSEM NG Plus 4. Since 1989, MONOSEM has been using a planting method where the planter rests directly on the ground, aligned with the seed crop. This method has been proven effective over time, and it reduces maintenance requirements. By combining quality metering with disc planting, this unit ensures optimal performance across large areas, ultimately lowering operation costs. Clod removers and trash wheels pave the path for the seed line by eliminating clumps, rocks, and plant debris. The double opener discs create the furrow to a depth set by the gauge wheels. The V-shaped tip then refines the furrow bottom for precise seed placement. Finally, the curved drop tube is crafted to gently guide seeds to the ground at consistent intervals. Agrizone GSA-SS. Agrizone is a leading manufacturer of farming equipment, offering a diverse range of super seeders. You can get all the seeding machines you need from these guys. Among them, the GSA-SS is an innovative solution designed to assist farmers in precise seed sowing. It guarantees a seamless and hassle-free seeding process. Furthermore, Agrizone's super seeder lineup comprises 4 top-notch models, featuring working widths ranging from 1,755 millimeters to 2,375 millimeters, catering to various farming needs. All 4 super seeder models are equipped with 13 by 23 gearboxes. The tractor's horsepower needed to use the Agrizone GSA-SS varies depending on the model, ranging from 50 horsepower or more to 75 horsepower or more. This farming tool is great for planting seeds efficiently, making it a worthwhile investment. Hold on, do these features not mean this machine costs a lot? The answer is no. This means farmers can rely on a super seeder for cost-effective farming operations. Landforce Super Seeders. Landforce is an Indian company that makes and sells a range of agricultural tools, including rotavators, cultivators, plows, and seed drills. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has earned them a strong reputation. Farmers trust Landforce equipment to boost efficiency and productivity and cut down labor expenses. Landforce offers popular super seeder machines available in 7 feet and 8 feet variants. The 7 feet variant has a working width of 81 inches, while the 8 feet variant has a width of 90 inches. The 7 feet super seeder machine is compatible with 50 to 55 horsepower tractors, whereas the 8 feet variant requires 65 to 70 horsepower tractors. Additionally, the 7 feet model has 54 blades, while the 8 feet variant comes with 60 blades. Field King Super Seeder. Field King is a well-known brand in the agricultural implements industry. Over its years of operation, the company has built a strong presence in agriculture and has become a household name in India. They're known for producing high-quality implements that are durable and perform their tasks perfectly. The top super seeder from Field King is the FK-SSD RTD12 225, boasting a work width of 2,390 millimeters and equipped with 66 blades. This machine operates optimally with a tractor ranging from 65 to 70 horsepower, and it weighs 1,230 kilograms. Field King offers other super seeders with blade counts of 48, 54, and 60, weighing 820 kilograms, 850 kilograms, 880 kilograms, and 910 kilograms respectively. Additionally, each Field King super seeder sewing machine features an aluminum fluted roller mechanism, making it perfect for use in fields. Jagajit Super Seeder. The Jagajit Super Seeder is specifically crafted for farmers to plant seeds with accuracy and efficiency. With its advanced technology and precision planting features, farmers can plant more effectively than ever before. These super seeders from Jagajit are compatible with tractors ranging from 50 to 65 horsepower. The Jagajit Super Seeder allows farmers to adjust the depth of furrows and the space between them according to the specific requirements of their crops. It also features a press wheel that covers the seeds with soil, aid proper germination. This enduring and essential tool enables farmers to maximize crop yields and enhance profits. John Deere Green System Super Seeder. The John Deere Green System Super Seeders are precision planting machines crafted to sow seeds at the perfect depth and spacing for optimal growth. In India, this super seeder machine operates with a tractor of 50 horsepower or more. With its unique modular design, the Green System Super Seeder allows for effortless customization and maintenance. The John Deere Green System Super Seeder is a potent machine capable of rapidly and efficiently planting vast areas, making it indispensable for farmers and landowners aiming to maximize their yields. Thanks to its advanced technology and construction, this super seeder ensures reliable and effective crop growth. KS Group Super Seeder. The KS Group Super Seeder is a tool designed for farmers and landowners seeking to boost crop yields. This precision planting machine operates efficiently with tractors of 45 horsepower and above. Its modular design allows for easy customization and maintenance, making it adaptable to various operations. Constructed with durable materials, the Super Seeder is built to withstand heavy usage and harsh conditions, ensuring a long lifespan. Its high-speed planting capability enables rapid and efficient coverage of large areas, making it a valuable asset for those in the agriculture industry. It's essential to note that some farmers have reported malfunctions with certain machines, and their experience with KS Group's customer service in resolving these issues has been less than satisfactory. Garud Super Seeder. The Garud Super Seeder is an incredible machine that assists farmers in planting their seeds with precision. Its charming design allows for easy adjustments and repairs, making it an ideal choice for any farmer. Crafted from the strongest and most durable materials, the Garud Super Seeder is built to withstand any weather conditions and last for an extended period. Its remarkable speed allows for swift coverage of large swaths of land, proving to be an invaluable ally for farmers striving to nurture their crops to their fullest potential. Indeed, it serves as a reliable companion in the fields, earning the trust and friendship of farmers. Caduce Seed Cum Fertilizer Drill. The Caduce Seed Cum Fertilizer is renowned as the top speed drill implement, compatible with tractors ranging from 35 to 55 horsepower. This automatic seed drill machine delivers exceptional results for farmers. Available in 3 variants: KAS CFDR09, KAS CFDR11, and KAS CFDR13. This model weighs between 310 to 390 kilograms. Its multi-crop seed drill machine offers adjustable depths ranging from 20 to 100 millimeters. Moreover, it maintains plant-to-plant spacing between 20 to 250 millimeters and row-to-row spacing from 100 to 2000 millimeters. Sonalika Roto Seed Drill. The Sonalika Roto Seed Drill is a highly acclaimed implement in the agricultural sector. This maize seed drill machine is available in both 2-row and 4-row planter variants, each offering unique features. The 2-row planter weighs 190 kilograms, while the 4-row planter weighs 350 kilograms. Both planters feature adjustable blade positions and are manufactured with dimensions of 61 inches width and 54 inches height, with row-to-row distances of 24 inches. KMW by Kirloskar Mega T15. The KMW by Kirloskar Mega T15 is an outstanding seed drill equipment specifically designed for sugarcane cultivation. With its 15 horsepower, it effortlessly handles farming tasks. Featuring a single-cylinder, horizontal, water-cooled diesel engine, this seed drill machine for the tractor ensures efficient operation. It's equipped with 6 forward gears and 2 reverse gears for versatility. With 22 blades and a weight of 138 kilograms, it offers advanced features for effective working. Despite its capabilities, this sugarcane special seed drill remains affordable. Baksheesh Rotavator. The Baksheesh Rotavator falls under the post-harvest category and is considered one of the best and most compatible agricultural seed machines. It's available in 2 variants, both of which rely on 40 to 60 horsepower implement power, making them ideal for hitching with a tractor. Equipped with 42 to 48 blades, this Baksheesh Rotavator seed tiller effectively buries the soil for seed sowing. Moreover, its affordable price fits easily into the farmer's budget. Caduce Mini Tiller Operated Seed Drill. The Caduce Mini Tiller Operated Seed Drill is highly regarded for its exceptional quality and popularity among farmers. This mini seed drill machine makes seed sowing easy and facilitates productive farming. This machine weighs 40 kilograms, comes with a seed box capacity of 5 kilograms, and is ideal for commercial farming. Shaktiman Mechanical Seed Drill. The Shaktiman Mechanical Seed Drill is a sought-after modern seed drill implement that facilitates precise seed sowing in the field. Available in 2 variants, SMSD 250 and SMSD 300. This seed drill agriculture machinery offers numerous advantages, such as covering a 300 centimeter area and featuring separate compartments for seeds and fertilizers. With a weight ranging from 560 to 870 kilograms, this seed drill machine for tractors is designed to support productive farming. Additionally, its price is suitable for farmers, ensuring accessibility to this tool. Trail Type Carrot Seed Planter. The Trail Type Carrot Seeds Planter machine is specialized equipment for precision planting of carrot seeds. It's also suitable for vegetables, rapeseed, sesame seeds, and more. This planter utilizes a precision seed metering device, ensuring high accuracy in seeding small seeds with an extremely low seed breakage rate. Each seed box has a volume of 2 kilograms, and the efficiency can reach 0.4 to 0.6 hectometers squared per hour. Additionally, the Precision Carrot Seeder Planter features adjustment stalls, allowing for versatility in planting various crops such as rapeseed, cabbage, millet, sesame, alfalfa, carrot, tomato, and pepper, which are similar in size to rapeseed. We've come to the end of today's video. Which of these machines do you think is best for seeding operations? Let us know in the comments. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel to get updates on more content.